What's going on, gang? Today, be installing a new little filter for the cab inside. Doing this on a 2007 Impala. Gotta get my baby back out here on the road. So, yeah. Show you guys how to do it. Step one. Put out the air compressor, blow some air, clean off all that old crud and all this crap up out of here. But right now I'm letting the air build up, so it's set. Actually look like it's gonna rain today. So hopefully, let's pray it don't rain. Let's knock this out and get back on in the house. But a little more, just letting the air up all the way. You can blow all that crud and stuff out of there. They've been sitting up under these trees, so them old leaves and all that crap sitting up under there. So about 2 more seconds. We can get this show on the road. See you then. Alright guys, y'all air it up. Let's get to it. Sitting. Once again, you ain't gotta use no air compressor, you know what I'm saying? Just for you guys that may think, oh, I need an air compressor to do this. You don't need it. I'm just using it. That's just me. I bought the motherfucker, barely use it, so I just use it. Y'all know how it is, but let's get it. I want to start by removing this. Pull that on off that junk. Sit it down somewhere, it don't really matter. You're removing that because you have to. Our goal is to get up in here. So now I think it's 2 or 3 clamps, which you probably, I don't know if the camera can get it, but they're right up in there, you guys. See if the camera can focus. I probably ain't gonna get it, but I'll show you once I get up in there. Prop this camera up somewhere. Yeah, it's not gonna work with this. And once you get that pin up out of there, you kind of just, pull on it. Comes right off. Take both sides off if you want, but I already know where mine's at, so I don't really have to jack with the other side. But this is the pin. Just a little clip. Sits right up in there, so you just pull it out. However, flathead, needle nose, just whatever you got that, just get in there and pull it. Pull it out and release it. Now, you got this extra cover sitting here. Comes right on up. And there we got the filter down up in here. Look at that. Look how fucking dirty that is. Whew. Yep. Let's put that fresh one in. Out the box. Fresh one should look like. Rip it open wherever you can. Let's put it in. Now, put it in, same way it came out. in there nice and snug. Keep this little piece sticking up so you can pull it out. It's time to change that one. Yeah, that's all it is, guys. Sorry I keep moving around, it's just so damn tight right here. But yeah, that's all it is. You do the same process, just put everything back, go in reverse. It started fucking raining on me, so trying to hurry up and get everything back on. Couldn't really show you guys how to put it back together. Hurry up and get up out of this rain. So I'll get back with y'all when I get in the house, because it's starting to come down. Alright, it started coming down, so I just jumped in the car. But for all you guys that don't know, that is the in-cab filter. You know, that's not the regular filter when you getting a tune-up or nothing like that. That's for the in-cab smell. You know, a lot of people really don't know about that filter. They're not really into cars like that or really look into that. But that is for the inside, for your AC and your heat. You know, blowing all that dust and collecting all that dust that be in here. You know, when your car's sitting out in the sun, it's just dust in here. That stuff goes all up in the vents and stuff. That's the filter you guys need to change, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I was changing. But yeah, that was pretty much a wrap on this video. Hope you guys like it. I know it's kind of fast paced, but I was trying to beat the rain. Then I ain't have my camera person with me, so I'm trying to hold the camera and show y'all. So, you know, I mean, it's a learning process. But yeah, comment down below and let me know how you guys think I did. If you guys need me to go back over something, just let me know, you know. Peace.